I work with my clients to help them develop capabilities in their leaders for now and into the future, and it all starts with the strategy. What capabilities does the organisation, its leaders, need to develop that strategy? And there's a number of services I do in that area, and it could be coaching and mentoring leaders, facilitating workshops for groups and teams, or running longer form leadership development programs, all focused on building capability to deliver the strategy.
The tools that we use when we get together as a team, including Now, Where, How, are really, really powerful. Their simplicity belies how powerful they are, in that it gives people a way to stop thinking in their normal patterns and to just break decisions down to simple things. Where am I now? Where do I want to get to? And how am I going to get there?
Vantage's leadership development programs are really effective because they're based on the principles around adult learning. There's 4 key components: coaching, online and face-to-face training, a leadership development platform where they can access tools and courses, and peer-to-peer collaboration, all backed up by 90-day individualised plans and one-on-one coaching. I do this with executive groups or next-generation leaders to really build capability in the organisation.
The Connective Leadership Academy that James has put together and run for us has had a really profound impact on a number of our staff members, in that it's given them time to step out of the day-to-day and to just focus on themselves and their careers and the way that they work, both for themselves and with the teams that they're responsible for.
Coaching is a really effective way for CEOs and business leaders to stress test their strategy and to also, in a safe but challenging environment, think about their own leadership and how effective they are in the organisation.
James is a great facilitator. He takes an approach that it's very collaborative with myself, and he really tries to get an understanding of what success would look like.
I've worked with my clients in the area of board governance, where we've been working together on strategy and plan. In some instances, they'll ask me to advise on the structure, how to really have a truly strategic board that can help them drive strategy into the future. In others, they've asked me to sit as a non-executive director or even to chair the board. This is extremely rewarding, but also effective, because I'm integrated into the organisation and truly tied to their future success.
The experience that James has brought to it, I guess, it spans all of the jobs he's done over the years, the other boards he's been on, and his ability, I guess, to recognise things in our business that he's seen elsewhere, the effects that it's had, and to then deploy that knowledge and experience for us. You know, it's great. There's no substitute for experience.